The one belief which 90% of people they hold is, I know myself very well.
Hmm.
We really don't know. Whom are you speaking to? Who knows who you are really? You know, Nadia. Nadia was a name given by the parents.
Hmm.
It is only 50% of myself I know. What about the soul element which entered the body? Do you know it? And top it all, soul is having its own powers. Do you ever explore them? I say those are superpowers. 8 billion people walking on planet Earth, each person is having a superpower. Do you ever explore that superpower within you? You might think that Nadia is making up a story. No, I'm not making up a story. Really telling you. In Akashic field, we do see souls. They are so much powerful. Yes, the spiritual organizations, they speak about it, but many of us, we never explore that side of us, no?
Hmm.
So we don't know who you are, who I am. I might be, so I'll tell you something because I have had one of my past lives in Scotland. So one fine day I went shopping in this lifetime. I was just shopping and somebody called out the name Nathan. My In the past life, my name was Nathan. And instinctively I turned around and said yes. And I'm thinking, where am I? Who am I? Because I started getting flashes of my past life very early on in my life.
Hmm. Hmm.
And that got me thinking, am I Nadia or am I Nathan? Do I really know who I am? So most of the people, they only know themselves through the lenses of their family, of their parents, and that is the only thing they know about themselves. That is what they believe themselves to be. It's like a diamond believing, okay, I'm one stone which is sparkling, but I don't know who I am. No. So when people tend to believe in the belief of their extended family, then not explore further, that is one blocking belief which I see every time. And you will probably surprised to know 98% of the people they don't ask who am I. I'll ask people to just check who they are really. Are they just a name they are addressing themselves? And by how can they come out of that belief is by working on self. So I will request you, I will share, because there is a lot of unlearning that is needed in knowing your own self. So I will share a video link, just a YouTube video link to know yourself and connect with your deeper self. I can share that link with you, and if you are kind and if you can forward that link to the people, it's on YouTube. They can use the link endless number of times to connect to their deeper self and just feel who they are.
Absolutely, absolutely. All right. So the next question I have for you is, if someone who is really feeling stuck mentally, financially, emotionally, and I really don't know, going through so much of trauma, pain, suffering, what is that one simple shift that they can make today to raise their vibration instantly while they are listening to our podcast?
If they are listening to our podcast, I'll say, please smile. You have a beautiful smile and you look beautiful when you smile. Smile is one of the easiest way to raise your vibration.
Hmm.
I know, and it's so disheartening to see so many people going through so many challenges mentally, financially, emotionally, and there is no one who can answer their questions why they are going through this roller coaster ride.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, if one thing you can do is please smile more. I know it takes a lot of, you have to muster a lot of courage as well to smile.
Hmm.
If you can smile more, it can literally shift you into a different vibration.
Hmm.
Yes, so there is a saying, fake it till you make it. That is one thing. But adding to that, I will also say, try to be in the here and now. We don't know what tomorrow will bring. No one predicted in 2019 COVID will come and this will happen. Yes, some of them, they did say COVID will come.
Hmm.
But today, none of the predictions is working.
Yeah.
At least you are here today. Give a smile, be happy. If you are able to live in the here and now, and if you are able to work on your own self, because I'm a meditation coach as well, I always tell people, please try to work on your own self. If you are able to do that, you will see that shift happening within your own reality. and you
Mm.
will be able to navigate out of it. No one knows whether tomorrow, who knows, tomorrow the entire world collapses. Then what? In a fraction.
Yes.
So today you are blessed with breath, with a
Mm.
smile, with the sun shining, with the water around you, with a family around you, if you have a family, somebody to listen to. That's a beautiful way of being. Just be in the moment and smile and see things will shift and change for you. I've done it within my own life as well.
Great. Uh, it's really getting exciting talking to you now. And the question that comes to my mind is, how can someone decode their soul's blueprint? If somebody really wants to understand in 3 steps to be able to align with their higher self, what is your take on this?
Now you can decode something when you know how it has been coded only. No? You can decode something which you don't know
Yes.
of. So I will rather take up the second part of the question first and then see how, even if you're able to decode it, right?
Hmm.
Now, in the current environment where we are all living in a world which is so overwhelming with the media, with so much filters,
Yeah.
Instagram,
Yes.
TikTok, Facebook, story upon story, just ask yourself how authentic you are in your sharing, in your existence. How authentic are you? The more authentic you are, the more closer you are to your own self.
Hmm.
No? We
Yes.
have lost authenticity in this entire world. We are flooded with, oh my God, somebody is doing something, somebody is doing and thankfully we never grew up in that time. We are the past generation, we never had these things.
Hmm.
So this is just a 20 years ago, this thing started coming up. But are you living an authentic life? And then when you look into those media reels, what is happening? The first thought that comes, oh, she or he is so happy. They're going around. You
Yes.
never know. Probably they are on the green screen putting up this
Yeah. Yes.
story. So this is you want to be closer to your higher self, but you are not authentic. The more you are closer to your higher self, the more authentic you will be. So authenticity is the first thing I will say.
Hmm.
And then second thing I'll say, what is your idea about freedom? What is your definition about success? So to
Hmm.
me, success, probably many people, if I will ask you, what is your definition of success? Maybe you can pause and just come to your mind and think, what is success? Success is money. Success is happy family. Success is going around the globe, having a good holiday, something like this and that, you know? So, like that, I will say, for people, success is different than what success really is. Real success is freedom. When you are free to do anything in life, that is success.
Yes.
you know so you want to be closer to your higher self, then you have to be free. you know that is the second thing you should be doing.
Yes.
And do you, are you able to express yourself truly in the situations? Are you your true self, or are you a people pleaser?
Hmm.
Are you following the masses? So today, where I'm sitting right now, this is a very remote location. I'm up in the mountains next to Nanda Devi. So
Hmm.
that's a very heavily snow-clad mountain, and that is the reason it's so cold. So how much are you able to disconnect from the fake world and they feel your real heart,
Hmm.
feel your real body? We all want to be close to our higher self, but what am I doing with my life, with my everyday choices? That is what matters. So these answers will help you in understanding that if you want to decode your soul self, then you will have to do this. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And before I just close this, I'll say be open to magic. We've lost our connection. So if you, when we were young, no, we used to have these magic shows because
Yes.
Akashic is
Yes.
a world of magic.
Hmm.
So we believe in Akashic. You get to see, people might not believe me, but we get to see aliens, we get to see the angels, we get to see the mermaids, we get to see everything. So be open to magic.
Hmm.
We are a magical creation, and so much magic happens every day in my life. If I just pick up a handful of soil and say, can you take out sugar out of this soil, probably you'll say no. No, if I have a handful of soil, you'll say no, I cannot take sugar out of this soil. But earth does that magic and puts the same sugar in the mango, and we eat the mango. Is that not magic? Can
Yes.
I do it? So we are living in a magical world. Believe in magic. So if you want to explore Akashic records, if you want to explore your soul,
Hmm.
it is beyond your limited mind. It is beyond you. So believe in magic, be authentic, and just remove the filters, and you will love it.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing that. So, you have helped many people through your community work. And how do you guide and support individuals who are just starting their healing journey? And, maybe they are also not open to what you're saying and what's going to happen, because like you said beautifully that there are so many filters on social media, right? And these days people are really really looking for a quick fixes. They want instant results, they want
Yes.
instant benefits. Yeah. So how do you do that in your community while you're dealing with people? We would really love to know that.
Hmm. Firstly, I will say quantum is a world of magic, which I said earlier as well.
Yes.
And quantum is a world where immediate results are given. Immediate. You don't even the time 3 seconds of Instagram reel is very long in quantum world. So once you step into the quantum healing spaces, things they magically turn and you are healed at a different level. But when I am working with the people, it is just about me because you asked me about me. I've been a corporate for 22 years of my life, and I was living in London, and things were, in corporate world, things, internet was coming up, things were moving fast. We all know what was happening, no?
Yes.
But somewhere I was losing the human connection.
Mm.
So I feel these, many people who are working with the computers, they miss on the human connection. So the first thing people working with me, they realize that they get an opportunity to just be a human, nothing more. No good, no bad, no right, no wrong. Just be a human. And sometimes they just have to speak it out. They don't have to do anything. They just want to come and speak to me. Maybe that is the need in that moment. So I follow my heart and intuition very powerfully. If my gut says this person needs communication as of now, they will go with counseling. But as and slowly we start removing layers upon layers, as I said, we are layered beings. As we
Mm.
start removing layers, when they are ready and when Akashic field guides me, then I start my healing journey. So, and honestly speaking, it is 180-degree shift once you embark on the journey, not 360-degree because you'll be back to square one. So it completely, but it is you have to be prepared for it. I cannot push you into it. It is not
Mm.
unlike any healing modality. Okay, you need 4 sessions and go bye bye for now. No, you are looking for really some change, and my mission is that whosoever goes through this modality should feel empowered. They should not be feeling I have to go back to Nadia again. If they have to come
Mm.
back to me again, then it's not done its work. So that is a kind of a mission I hold for people, that they should feel empowered, though not 100%, maybe 10%, maybe 1%, I don't know, depending on how much work they want to do with me. And as I said earlier, it is my choice and my thoughts. So I use a lot of your choice and your thoughts in healing you, because that is where the true healing happens.
Yes.
Yes, this is how I am working.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing that. And thank you so much for being here today, for sharing such a valuable insights. And I would say it was a huge learning for my own self through this conversation. And I can't thank you enough for being here today. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Anurad. Thank you, Anu, for giving me an opportunity to come and speak to you. I'm new to India. I'm trying to explore, and I'm just trying to spread this word of humanity. You are beautiful, you are empowered. You need to believe in yourself, no one else.
Absolutely. Yes. Thank you once again. If you enjoyed this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my podcast and share it with your friends and family, one woman at a time. I'm on a mission to build a community of a thriving women. Thank you very much for taking your time to listening to this podcast, and I'll see you in the next show. Now go out there and do something that truly inspires you.